What's up, Geek Fam? Alex here, and today we're going to be taking a more in-depth look at the Adidas Americana Hi. I did an unboxing of this. If you have not seen that yet, I will link it in the card above so you can go check it out. But yeah, we're just going to get more in-depth and take a look at the shoe, go over some of the details and the overall fit. Also, don't forget, if you're not subscribed, to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We will be doing a $100 Nike gift card giveaway once we hit 100 subscribers. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so with the shoe, the first thing I want to do is actually talk about the things that I like about it and the things that I don't like about it. The first thing that I actually love about the shoe are the materials. It has a leather collar around the actual collar of the shoe, and it goes down about halfway until you get to the upper, which is like a nylon canvas kind of material. These make a great beater. Like, these aren't shoes that I'm looking to preserve and make sure they stay super clean. These are everyday throw them on type of shoe. So having like that canvas material is super dope. Also, around the toe box, it has like this suede that's like an off-white color, which is really cool. It adds a nice accent to the white and kind of separates all the white that's on the shoe. It is a triple white shoe, but that kind of breaks up some of the all white in the shoe as well. On the toe box, you also have that kind of canvas material, which is, like I said, awesome for just being an everyday shoe. Another thing that I love that they did with this shoe is on the midsole, instead of making it completely just white, it's more of like an off-white kind of eggshell color, which is, you know, very nice as well. It just adds a little bit of variety to the shoe in terms of the color and it not just being a completely all-white shoe. One of the only things I don't like about this shoe is how big the actual tongue of the shoe is. Like, it's fine, but it's just really big and there's hardly any padding in it, and it's super floppy. Like, most shoes, I'll actually wear the tongue of the shoe over my pants, but with this, I actually tuck this under my pants just because I don't want a huge white tongue sticking out in front of my shoe, especially if I have on a darker colored pair of jeans, like either a black or a dark blue denim. I don't want that just sticking out. Like, I'm not a fan of that style, so I'll typically tuck this tongue under my pants leg. The thing that I do like about the tongue, though, is the actual Adidas Americana label that's on the tongue. It's in an off-white color. It's really cool, and yeah, I actually like that quite a bit. So those are the things that I really like about the shoe and that I don't like. In terms of actual fit, these fit very comfortably. It's just a shoe that, you know, you would throw on to wear. It's not like a shoe that you're gonna work out in. I think originally when these came out, they were deemed to be like a basketball shoe. It is a high shoe, so it was, you know, used initially like one of their first shoes in their basketball line. But I wouldn't do any kind of sporting activities in these personally. I just throw these on to wear these as more of a lifestyle type shoe. The laces that are currently in the shoe are just all white laces. Like I said, it is a triple white shoe, but it's, you know, it has some variety due to the suede that's on the toe cap, the off-white color of the midsole and outsole, and the little bit of difference in the color of the logo on the tongue. With these shoes, I actually got them on a still. I follow a couple of different sneaker pages on Twitter that tweet out links to shoes, you know, we can get them on a deal. So initially, I think these were like $89.99, and I believe I only paid like 50 bucks for them. So I got these at a really good price, especially for a shoe that I'm just gonna wear, you know, all the time and beat the crap out of. So yeah, man, that's really it when it comes to these shoes. Very comfortable fit, easy to style since it's an all-white shoe, and yeah, not much really more that I can say about it. It's one of my favorites in my collection. You don't want to step out in Jordans or something like that every day, so just to have something low-key like this that you can throw on that'll basically match with anything, it's really becoming one of my favorites, and it's comfortable. Haven't had any issues with it in terms of wearing it all day, and I have worn these, you know, quite often, so If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you leave a like and hit that subscription. Once again, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We will be doing that $100 Nike gift card giveaway once we hit 100 subscribers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all guys in the next video.